Good morning or afternoon, everyone. My name is Nabila Brillyant with student ID 121250122 from class TK-D. Today, I will be presenting my topic on supply chain management using artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical industry. Let me begin with the domain. Supply chain management or SCM refers to the orchestration and management of all processes related to the production, procurement, and distribution of goods or services, with the aim of meeting consumer efficiently and effectively. In the pharmaceutical industry, SCM covers the entire continuum of drug production, from acquiring raw materials through the manufacturing process and finally distributing the finished medicine to the healthcare providers and patients. It plays a very critical role because any disruption in this chain can directly affect patient health and safety. And however, supply chain management in pharmaceutical sector faces unique challenge, such as variable demand. The demand for medicines can fluctuate sharply depending on health condition in society. For example, during a flu outbreak, the demand of antiviral drugs can spike overnight. 2. Strict regulatory standards. Because pharmaceuticals are directly linked to the patient safety, they are subject to much strict rules than ordinary consumer goods. And third, specialized storage and transport. Many drugs require controlled conditions such as refrigeration, sterile packaging, or fast delivery timelines. This makes logistics more complicated than in other industries. When disruption occurs, this challenge can lead to the serious consequences such as drug storage, which internally negatively impact public health. This is where artificial intelligence or AI comes in a solution. First, inventory management with AI and machine learning. AI system can analyze large amount of hospital and pharmacy data to predict medication usage. For example, a multi-specialty hospital can use AI to calculate how much of a certain drug is usually consumed each month. This allows the hospital to maintain the right stock level, avoiding both storage and excess inventory. On a larger scale, pharmaceutical companies can use machine learning to optimize warehousing, management shipment, and predict the rise and fall of the market. 2. Supervised learning application. Supervised AI models are trained on label datasets to recognize patterns and correlation. In pharmaceuticals, this can apply to predict the toxicity and potency of new drugs, discover potential side effects, and even categorize patients according to their disease condition. AI can also assist in pharmacovigilance by predicting adverse drug reaction and monitoring patients' compliance in hospitals. Moreover, supervised learning is applied in clinic trials where AI models trained on animal data can predict how a drug will behave in humans, including its therapeutic activity and toxicity. Third, AI in demand forecasting. Traditional forecasting relies heavily on historical data, but AI goes beyond this by using a real-time data source, such as social media activity, IoT devices, or even weather forecast. For example, an AI system can anticipate a surge in demand for flu medication by analyzing current illness reports and comparing them to historical flu patterns. This allows companies to adjust production and distribution proactively, reducing the risk of shortage or delay. Predictive analytics powered by AI thus plays a vital role in aligning supply with actual healthcare needs. 4. Personalized medicine. Another major development is personalized medicine, which treatment to the genetic makeup of each individual patient. AI helps analyze genomic information and predict how a patient might respond to certain drugs. This approach also transforms supply chain. Instead of a mass production, drugs are manufactured only when the patient cells arrive at the facility. This reduces storage costs and transportation needs, but it also requires specialized equipment and highly trained staff. Despite these challenges, personal medicine holds great promise for improving treatment outcomes. 5. 3D printing medicine. In recent years, 3D printing has expanded into pharmaceuticals. With this technology, tablets and other solid dosage forms can be printed on demand. Machine learning ensures quality control by monitoring factors like viscosity, consistency, and dosage concentration. This is especially useful in addressing polypharmacy, the situation where patients, especially the elderly, must take multiple medications. And with 3D printings guided by AI, we could one day print personalized combination tablets that reduce cost, improve convenience, and limit the risk of side effects. In conclusion, incorporating AI into pharmaceutical supply chain management represents a major transformation. AI enhances operational efficiency, resilience, and responsiveness. It improves inventory management, strengthens demand forecasting, and enables innovative solutions such as personalized medicine and 3D printings of drugs. Although challenges remain, such as regulatory hurdles, data integration, and the need of skilled professionals, the potential of AI is enormous. If this obstacle can be overcome, AI will not only optimize operation and reduce waste, but also improve patient outcomes by ensuring medicines are delivered and safely, efficiently, and at the right time. Thank you very much for your attention.